Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can return invisible item on TradingView, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and in this chart you can see I have drew a free trend line. So to show you a demo, let me hide one of them. So click on this one and now click on three dots and hide it. Now once you hide it, you want to return this invisible item, right? So what you simply can do is you can see this icon which is object tree and data window, so you need to click on that option, and now you can see I have hidden this one, right? So you can see at right side the kind of icon, you need to simply click on that and you'll be able to return your invisible item successfully. And if you click it again, you'll be able to hide it again. So basically this is how you can return invisible item on TradingView. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.